Hi, welcome to FOX ERP Tutorials. A product bundle can be seen as something like a bill of material on the sales side. It's a master where you can list stock items that are bundled together and sold as a single set. Let's create a new product bundle. Select a bundled item here. This is a non-stock item that is used only for bundling. For example, if you are selling coaxial cable connectors, as a bundled item, select coaxial cable connectors as an item here. In this section, select the stock items delivered to the customer. Let's save this product bundle. Let's check out a product bundle used in the sales transactions. In the main item table, select a product bundle item. Save this delivery note. In this section, items are fetched from the product bundle master. On submission of this delivery note, the stock of these items will be dedicated to the selected warehouse. If needed, enter values in these fields for the bundled item. Now let's submit this delivery note. In the stock ledger, you can observe the stock ledger entry is made only for the bundled item and not for the main item. Hope you found this video tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.